Hi, I'm Brenda from the Antwerp Sunshine branch of the Van Buren District Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little picture frame. And each of our branches will have a kit that will contain a 5x7 frame, some silk flowers, some little paper butterflies, and some glue dots, some large ones and some small ones. And at home you'll need a pair of clippers or a very sharp pair of scissors, and a glue gun if you have one. And the first thing you're going to do is try to arrange how you want your flowers so that you'll get them just right. And then you can clip all these flowers apart how you want them. And I've got some leaves here and then the flowers, and I'm just going to snip some of this ends off. And I'll want to arrange them again any way that you care to. And then if you have a glue gun, you can use that to glue them down, or you'll have a set of larger glue dots that you can use to glue down your flowers. So we're just going to put some glue on your frame, and I'm going to put my leaves down like that, put some more glue on. And again, you can cut your flowers apart any way you want to and get everything glued down. And I'll just put some glue here on the leaves, and then you'll just glue them down like so. And again, your larger glue dots will help too if you want to use those. Put a little bit of baby's breath in your packets so you can tuck that in. And again, you can put your flowers anywhere that you want to on your frame. And then I'm going to use the smaller glue dots that are in the packet. And if you've never used glue dots before, they're just a little tiny piece of glue, and you'll rip that off the paper. Put your little butterfly on, and then you're going to attach it and just push it down, and it attaches really easy that way. And again, if you have other things that you want to put on, some small buttons or maybe seashells, anything that you have will work gluing these down. Let's see. So my glue dots are on this side of the paper. And you can put as many of the butterflies on as you care to, or anything that, like I say, you want to glue down. And there you have it, a simple little cute little picture frame. And then the last thing you want to do is just put your favorite picture in there and display it. And I'd love to see what you've done with your picture frames. So if you want to take a picture and put it in our comment section, and we can see how creative you are. And have a good day.